Today we are talking about a new type of tool that helps you to turn your product photos into commercial style ads using artificial intelligence. Many business owners, creators, sellers struggle with ad creation because it takes time, design skills, or money to hire someone. But what if you could upload a product photo and let AI generate polished ad visuals automatically? That is where a tool called Dreamina AI that comes in. In this video, we will review Dreamina AI and show how it works, what it can do, and whether it might help you create better social media ads and promotional images without expensive design tool or long hours. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and marketing success. Today we are reviewing Dreamina AI, a creative tool that turns product photos into full commercial ads. I also placed a special offer link in the description that helps you get a bonus or discount when you sign up. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and also don't forget to use the link from description. By using that link, any available offer that will be applied automatically, so you get your best benefit easily. Now let's get into the main part of the video and talk about the Dreamina AI in simple terms. First, let's talk about what exactly is Dreamina AI. In simple word, it is an AI-driven design tool that generates professional-looking ads from your existing product photos. You start by uploading your photo of your product, then the tool uses artificial intelligence to create suggested ad visuals complete with backgrounds, text, design elements, and marketing-friendly layout that are ready to post on social media, websites, or ads platforms. This saves you time and effort, especially if you are not a designer. When you enter the Dreamina AI, you usually see a simple workspace where you upload your image or photo and choose the style that you want. Some tools give you theme options like clean, minimal designs, bold, commercial layouts, luxury styles, or lifestyle ad visual. You choose the one that fits your brand, and in seconds, Dreamina AI generates several ad versions for you to preview and edit them. One of the strongest part of this tool is that it makes product visual look professionally designed without needing any design experience. Many small business owners struggle with software like Photoshop because it is complex and time consuming. Dreamina AI removes the barrier by doing the design work for you. The AI understands how to place the text, how to choose font, and create visual balance so your ad looks clean and attractive even if you have never created ads before. Another helpful feature is the AI text suggestion. Some versions of this tool analyze your photo and suggest headline text or promotional copy that fits the style of your product. This is useful because writing good ad text can be as difficult as creating the visual itself. The AI provides ideas that you can tweak or use directly in your campaign. Many people also like the Dreamina AI gives you multiple versions from a single photo. This means you can test the different ad formats like square images, vertical images for stories, or landscape images for website banner. Testing multiple versions that help you to see which visuals perform better with different audiences. This is especially helpful if you run paid ads and want to increase the performance by trying more creative options. Instead of spending hours learning design tools or waiting for a designer to deliver ads, you can upload your photo and get finished visuals in minutes. This helps you to keep your marketing consistent and faster, especially during the busy sales seasons or product launches. Now, you might ask, is the AI always perfect? In simple words, Dreamina AI is very good at generating useful design, but sometimes you may want to tweak the details like text, colors, or layout to fit your brand more precisely. The good thing is that most tools allow easy editing after the AI generates the visuals. This means you can start with a strong design and make small adjustments without much effort. Some users also enjoy the exporting designs directly to ad platform or downloading them in ready-to-use format. This makes it easy to use the visuals in Facebook ads, Instagram posts, online shop, or email campaigns. So in simple terms, Dreamina AI help you to turn a product photo into commercial ready ad visuals without design skills. It speeds up your marketing workflow, give the professional looking results, and help you to test the multiple versions to improve the engagement and conversions. So that's it basically for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video on Easy Access Tech. Please hit the like button and subscribe the Easy Access Tech for more simple tool reviews like this. And don't forget to use the link from description to get your benefit automatically. And I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.